Dholuo for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 3. Noun class mbe. Olemo, fruit. Olemo, fruit. Olembe, fruits. Olembe, fruits. Loom, grass. Loom, grass. Lumbe, grasses. Lumbe, grasses. Kom, chair. Kom, chair. Kombe, chairs. Kombe, chairs. Nam, lake. Nam, lake. Nembe, lakes. Nembe, lakes. Kalam, pen. Kalam, pen. Kalembe, pens. Kalembe, pens. Thigh. Thigh. Embe, thighs. Embe, thighs. Theme, jungle. Theme, jungle. Thimbe, jungles. Thimbe, jungles. Thum, music. Thum, music. Thumbe, music. Thumbe, music. Beam, baboon. Beam, baboon. Bimbe, baboons. Bimbe, baboons. Yamo, wind. Yamo, wind. Yembe, winds. Yembe, winds. Rombo, sheep. Rombo, sheep. Rombe, sheep. Rombe, sheep. Cham, cereal. Cham, cereal. Chambe, cereals. Chambe, cereals. Boma, city. Boma, city. Bombe, cities. Bombe, cities. Okombe, cup. Okombe, cup. Okombe, cups. Okombe, cups.